5th grade. This is Mrs. Haney. Today I wanted to talk to you about dividing fractions using models to help you solve. So the first step in using a model is to look at the first number to create your model. So the first number in my division sentence of 2 divided by 1/4 is 2. So I need to create 2 rectangles to show my model. Now I need to take those 2 rectangles and divide each of them up into 4 pieces for the 1/4. So I divide it up. I'll use a different color so you can see each rectangle into 4 pieces. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I divide my 2 rectangles into fourths, or 4 pieces each, all I have to do is count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and my answer is 8. There are 8 pieces. Now I can also prove that using the steps for the multiplication with the reciprocal of the fraction. So I would turn 2 into 2 over 1. I would multiply it by 1/4's reciprocal, which is 4 over 1. And I end up with 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. Simplify that down to 8. Now I always say, whatever you start with, you need to end with the same. So in this situation, we're starting with a whole number. Our answer also needs to be a whole number. And you'll see that better when I divide a fraction divided by a whole number, which we'll do now. So now I start with 1/4 divided by 2. When you're looking at 1/4, you would look at 1 piece out of 4. So we're focusing on this 1/4. Now each fourth needs to be split into 2 pieces. So I'll go ahead and divide those down into 2. Now I'm just looking at 1 piece out of the total. So I need to decide what my total is, and that will be my denominator, because I'm looking at 1 piece out of all of these pieces. So I count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer here would be 1/8. And like I said earlier, whatever you start with, that's what you end with. So here we started with a fraction. Now I need to end with a fraction. Now I can also do the reverse multiplication to prove that my answer is true. So 2 becomes 2 over 1. I flip that to 1 over 2, and I change from division to multiplication. Then I multiply 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 2 is 8. And my answer to 1/4 divided by 2 is 1/8. I hope that helps out. Let me know if you have any other questions. And as always, thanks for watching.